Hey guys, Chlorine King here. Welcome back for another vlog. Today's discussion is going to be a little different. It's not necessarily going to be me giving you advice, but it's just more like I want to introduce something to you guys. So I've been working pretty hard on this pool forum on my website. You can find the address below here right now. And, it's a forum to help expand knowledge. I want it to be a huge resource base for everybody, and it's not just for pool professionals, and it's not just for homeowners. I want everyone to be involved, and at the end of the day, I want people to get answers, correct and qualified answers from people. But one effect or side effect of the forum, it could be a lead generation source for you. So if we start getting enough people involved, if there's a homeowner in Wichita, Kansas, and you own a pool service business out in Wichita, Kansas, post on there and be like, hey, I'd be happy to come out and take a look. And you never know what can happen. The forum it has all kinds of different main threads. It has the equipment section, heaters, salt systems, pool pumps, filters, that kind of thing. It has the chemistry section, so things like algae, water balance, calcium hardness, just whatever has to do with water balance, that's there. It has an introduction section, so everyone can learn a little bit about each other and where they came from and where they're going. It also has a business section, so for the people that own pool businesses, it gives you the ability to ask specific questions about your business and maybe get answers from people who've been there and done that. And also a financial section, things like credit cards, business loans related to the pool business, and all that kind of stuff is all encompassed in this forum. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. It also has a dedicated section for my Patreon supporters. So it's just a private group that's part of the forum that no one else can see except for the Patreon people. So I really hope you guys sign up and go register over there and start using it and really enjoying and using it as a source and a reference point for your business or your home pool if you're a do-it-yourselfer. So get over there and post, and stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.